Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover suspended TikTok account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Here, tap on the hamburger icon at top right corner and a new menu will open up. Inside it, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on the Report a Problem feature. Now, a bunch of features will be displayed. You just need to tap on the Account and Profile feature and tap on the Login button. Here, select Other and then tap on the Need More Help option. After that, this support ticket page will appear in front of you. You just need to request them to recover your account and tell them that you didn't violate community guidelines. So that's basically how you can recover suspended TikTok account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.